Today we're going to learn how to play One Right Now by Post Malone and The Weeknd. Alright, so the first thing you've got to do, you need to know F, A minor, C. Okay, now if you're new to guitar, you might want to do F like this. Okay, so that's 3, 3, 2, 1, and then 0 at the bottom. This one's called F major 7. I would try not to hit this top string because it sounds dreadful if you do. Listen to that. Oh. So it's going to go F, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, then C, 2, 3, 4, then F, 2, 3. Start again. F, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And that's it all the way to the end of the song. However, there's one thing, you'll need to put a capo on the first fret, alright, because the song's actually in F, it starts on F sharp, so it would be here. I don't know where my capo is, so else I would I'd put it on for you. But so it would be here, you see, and you would have your capo just there. Now if you want to add a bit more life to it, when you're strumming it, go like this. We're going to do, rather than doing 4 strums, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to do 8 strums. We're going to do 4 big ones, and then in between each big one, we're going to do a little one, like this. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And now when I'm talking about a little one, I mean really small to this, so it sounds like this. So you're only really catching the top end of the chord. Alright, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now if it's not sounding right, I know I said this a minute ago, you've got to watch out that you're not catching this top string here at all, basically for the whole thing. You could theoretically you could just take it off for this song. Alright, so we're going to go, but if you catch it, I'll show you what happens if you catch it. Sounds awful. Really messy. Especially there. Whoa. So there's 2 ways you can do it. On the F, just touch the bottom of this, touch the underside of this string with the top of this finger. So look at this now. If I catch this string, it's dead. Alright, for A minor, you've just got to miss it. Alright. For C, same again. Touch the underside of this string. And back to F. And now I'll get lambasted by all the guitar teachers out there, like myself. What you can do is you can bring your thumb around, right? And this is not really a good technique to teach a beginner. So if you've got small hands, or if you're young or whatever, or you've just started playing, don't do this, right? But you can bring your thumb around and just sit it there, and it just kills it. Kills that string. Look, when you just leave it there. See what I mean? I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's been helpful. I teach guitar on Zoom, so if anyone's interested in doing Zoom lessons with me, then yeah, please just send me a message on here, or send me an email, and it's dje_music_tuition@hotmail.com. There'll be a little ticker thing at the bottom down here at some point in this video, and you'll see it there anyway. And also, please like and subscribe, just because it will really help boost my channel, which would be great for me. Alright, thank you.